Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more snipers only matches in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, master sniper rifles. Practice regularly with sniper rifles to improve accuracy and familiarity with handling. Optimize loadout. Choose a sniper rifle with high damage and manageable recoil for effective long-range engagements. Aim for headshots. Prioritize headshots for quick kills and to conserve ammo. Use cover. Position yourself near cover to minimize exposure while aiming down sight. Monitor bullet drop. Adjust your aim to compensate for bullet drop at longer distances. Practice quick scoping. Master quick scoping techniques to engage targets swiftly at close to medium range. Utilize high grounds. Position yourself on elevated terrain for better visibility and shooting advantage. Control breathing. Control your breathing or use hold breath mechanics to stabilize your scope for precise shots. Stay mobile. Constantly change position to avoid becoming a predictable target for enemies. Watch flanks. Be aware of potential flanking routes and adjust your position accordingly. Use peripheral awareness. Monitor your surroundings for potential threats while scoped in. Predict enemy movements. Anticipate where enemy might move next based on the map layout and objectives. Communicate with team. Coordinate with teammates to cover different angles and provide mutual support. Adjust sensitivity settings. Fine-tune your sensitivity settings for optimal sniper rifle control. Use spotter scope. Use the spotter scope to scout and mark enemies without revealing your position. Utilize thermal optics. Equip thermal optics to easily spot enemies, especially in low light or smoke-filled environments. Manage reloads. Reload strategically during lulls in combat to avoid being caught off guard. And that's how to win more snipers only matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.